You like your shoes, Della? Are they pretty? Pretty? Is that your dress? Is that your outfit? Let me see your outfit. Say thank you, Lola. Let me see. Pretty. Pretty? Pretty. About that one. Oh, that is pretty. Is it pretty? Say pretty. You say thank you, Lola. Say thank you, Lola. Oh, pretty. Pretty.
Oh gosh, if they said if I was Hazel,
That's pretty.
oh Lord, that lady is probably alive right now.
Yeah. Oh, that is pretty, Della. Is it pretty? Which one is your favorite shoes? Which one? This one? Is that yours too? Oh, nice. Is it pretty? Which one? Is this your favorite? Which shoe's your favorite? That one? You want to wear it? Okay, the other one. Is the other one? Other foot. This one. This one, Della. Pretty. We'll ask Lola to get you another size, okay? Okay. Stand up. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You like that one too?